Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to take a look at this toy, and this is a Wilesco, if I pronounce it right, steaming machine, which have a chimney, and this is the water tank. This is the part when you refill the water. And this is a safety ventil for the steam. The steam is going through to here, and here you have the spinning wheel, and here you have the wheel to attach whatever you want to attach to it. So basically, if we have something like this, also from the same company, it's a concrete mixer. You have the wheels here and here. If you attach them together, the mixer will spin. Anyway, I tested the machine before, so I know it's working, and I didn't actually have time to clean it properly yet, but a good thing to know is when you're moving the machine around, remove the chimney. Usually when you buy them on the net, used or vintage, they are without the chimney, and it's because the chimney falls off very easily. And I know people that have stepped on it, and it's really hard to get it back to the shape. The metal thin is very thin, and it's very easy to just take it away, move the machine, and do whatever you want. So one important thing when the machine is working, when it's spinning, it moves a lot. So you have 4 holes on every corner. So you should screw it down to something heavy, like maybe not a table, because you will have a lot of holes in it, but you can use a bit of MDF or whatever wood you have, as long as it's a big piece and heavy enough to make the machine stay on place. The same is for the tools or other toys you will attach to the machine. So everything as this one have here holes, so you can screw them down to whatever you want. So basically, before use, you should put some engine oil on every moving parts. So here, for example, you have the arm. You can just take it out, drop a little bit of oil inside here. I already done it before, but we can just take a bit of engine oil like this, and we can just put it on the arm around, and probably we can just use it to drop inside as well. I will not put too much because I need to clean it anyway, and we just take it on the moving parts, something like this. I'm using engine oil from the car. You can use probably whatever you have at home. You don't necessarily have the salsa dip glass bucket. for it. You can use whatever you want to as well. This one is attached very easily. You just put it back on place. Just move around a little bit so the oil can go everywhere. You don't have to have any tools. You just attach it back to the wheel. We can put some more water inside actually. So we just remove the ventil here. I use regular water. You can probably use the same. This one I didn't get it when I bought the machine. This is the one that comes with a buy, but I ordered it on the internet. It was not so expensive. It's nice to have it, but you can refill the water with whatever means you have, as long as you get the water inside. Through the glass on the front you will see the level of the water. You don't need to fill it up. The steam have to have some space. I'm just putting a little bit more than half of the glass with water, and then I just put back the screw, and as I mentioned, you have the rubber gaskets. It's not so easy to see. It's on the parts. When I checked and tested the machine before, the rubber basket were working. There were no steam coming out, so I will not change them. But I have always some few extra that, if necessary, I change. So to get the machine to work, you have this part. You just have it here and take it out. There is some old fuel I didn't use fully. Usually I put 1.5 of the fuel, and this is the one I use. So one whole one and then half one inside. Then you just put it on fire, and as you saw, maybe there was some fuel left in the basket, but I think I should be able to put the basket inside anyway with some extra fuel sticking out. So as soon as it starts to fire, you just slide it inside, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's burning inside. If you want, you can put the chimney on. And now we need to wait for like 5 minutes, 6 minutes for the water to start boil and to get the steam to spin the machine. So see you in 5 to 7 minutes. So I can already hear the water is boiling, the steam is coming out from here. This is the ventil you can use to check if the steam is on enough, and also when the machine starts to spin around and you want to make it stop, you just release, open it up. I will show you how. So basically it should be working any minute like this, and you see the machine is moving around, so when you attach it to something it's just going to work without having to catch it. So anyway, as I told you, this is the way how to make the machine stop. You just release and you put out the steam, and as you can see the wheel stops to spin. You can also remove the fuel. But it will spin as long as the steam is inside, which will take a while for the machine to stop. This is very hot, be careful, put it somewhere that will not burn. You can also put it back into the machine as well. And if you're done playing with the machine, just open it up, release the steam, the pressure, you can empty the tank of water if you would like to, and then the machine is ready to go for the next time. And this is a lot of fun, this is a lot of joy, and you have some additional toys to go with it, or you can just use your imagination. That's it. I hope you enjoyed, and hope you subscribe. Bye.